It's very helpful to have a friend in the hobby with whom you can share the fauna that you breed, the flora that you acquire, equipment and supplies. My friend Charles purchased a $50 variety pack of plants from Father Fish, and he got a super terrific haul, probably at least twice what you would get from a pet store. And he was good enough to give me some of those plants. I don't know the species, but the tall stem plants with roundish leaves, there's a couple varieties. I pruned the water wisteria and replanted the tops to make that nice and bushy on the left. Behind that, I'm not sure if it's perhaps a creeping Jenny or a creeping Charlie. It looks similar to that. Those are the tall stem plants there on the left. And in the foreground, I recently showed in a video that I added some Ludwigia repens that I acquired. And then some more tall stem plants that I can't identify. They have pinkish stems and round green leaves. And in the center is the green water lily that's doing so well for me. And on the right, the Hygrophila corymbosa cherry leaf variant that has the nice large leaves. I recently watched a video produced by Zach of Aquascape on keeping shrimp, and I'm reminded that adding Indian almond leaves is a terrific thing to do for a shrimp tank, and I have those, so I did add one leaf. Since I intend to add Amano shrimp and cherry shrimp to this scape along with the Endler's lightbearer breeding colony, I want to be sure that there's loads of biofilm covering the hardscape, the plants, and the substrate so that the shrimp can graze continuously. Adding the Indian almond leaf should provide loads of nutrient for microflora, microfauna, which will be available for the shrimp when I add them.